1. You wouldn't have missed your science class if you had woken up earlier. 2. If I were you, I would start looking for another job. 3. If you happen to drive by a supermarket, could you get some orange juice? 4. I'd eat sushi every day if I lived in Japan. 5. If I hadn't been away on a business trip, I would have gone to Jake's wedding. 6. Leslie won't come to work tomorrow if she's still ill. 7. You get green when you mix yellow and blue. One. Should you require information for the upcoming event, ask Miss Miles. 2. Were he not so arrogant, he would get along with everyone at the office. 3. Had they known about the storm earlier, they wouldn't have gone camping.
If you had to live in another country, which country would it be?
If I had to choose another country to live in, I'd choose to live in New Zealand.
What would you have done on your last holiday if money had not been an issue?
If money had not been an issue on my last holiday, I'd have stayed another 10 days at the resort where I was staying.
What will you do if you wake up late tomorrow?
If I wake up late tomorrow, I'll take a taxi to go to work.
If you could spend €2,000 in 24 hours, what would you spend it on?
If I could spend €2,000 in 24 hours, I'd go on a shopping spree and completely revamp my wardrobe.
What will you do if you don't have class tomorrow?
If I don't have class tomorrow, I'll go on a picnic.
Had you not begun learning English, which language would you have chosen to learn?
Had I not begun learning English, I'd have chosen to learn Spanish.
If you could travel back in time, which time in history would you want to visit?
If I could travel back in time, I'd want to visit ancient civilizations.